Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can read the comics and claim the reward. The new season is coming. So the new theme of the comic is new. So let's get started. Click the events or tap the feature. As you can see, this one, the comics. So, if you read the comics, you can claim the reward itself until 100. This is one of the rewards, until 180 point. Read until the last chapter. If you get bored or you are doing nothing in the game, you can read the comics and claim the reward. So this is the new theme of this season 8, error 404 or 404. This one you can read the comic. It's every season it's different theme, different storyline. It's quite interesting, but you have to wait every day if you want to read the another chapter. As you can see, this is the last chapter, unlocked in 22 days 16 hours from now. So it will be less than a month to claim the final reward. So thank you for watching. Please enjoy the comics. Click thanks button below. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Enjoy the game.